Glasses are fogging up.
That's a hell of a pistol you got there, Jody.
This is super fun. I think I'm going to take it. This is one of your creations, and this is what's really got my attention, even though the whole AR pistol is sweet. Tell us about it.
This is just a little AR pistol, and what really AR pistols don't really do it for me until this guy came out. This is the SB Tactical SBA3, and what makes this one unique is that it is 5-position adjustable, and it is still ATF approved. So it is a pretty incredible piece of equipment there. It's really soft, actually, you know, soft polymer, and it looks cool. There's a spot for a QD attachment right there. Yep, on both sides. So the rest of the pistol, it's an Aero Precision lower. It's got an FN carry handle that Jody doesn't particularly like, but I think it looks cool.
Yeah.
Just some regular MOE hand guards and a MOE grip, and you know, it's just, you know, just the little touches, you know.
It's a Palmetto State Armory upper, right?
Yes.
Yeah, cool.
But it's a cool little package, I think, when you put it all together.
Man, you text me and said you're getting this, and I was like, what? I should have jumped when I had the chance.
Yeah, but these are fantastic.
This is super cool.
This makes the package, I think.
Yeah, this definitely makes it.
All right, let's stop talking about it. How about we shoot it?
Yeah, let's shoot it. All right, cool. Eyes and ears. All right, let's throw a few rounds down. Ooh, that feels good. I'm a little foggy on my glasses here, but
What do you think?
man, I like it.
I mean, you were hating on that A2 grip, that A2 carry handle.
I like exactly what you said. Is the sight picture is wide open and you're not distracted by any of the flash.
And you really, for some reason, there's not a ton of flash.
Right. It's really, I actually like it.
I was concerned about that. I was thinking that gonna have to replace that muzzle device, but it's working.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
Once you put a few around, I mean, it's your baby.
Okay. All right, so I'll just finish it off here. It is over, even fully collapsed, it's over 26 inches. So you could put a forward grip on it if you wanted to. So that is a requirement. All right, here we go. Dang! Woo!
Very nice. Makes one heck of a backpack pistol, huh?
It does. It could use one of those
the
law tactical. What's the other one? The
there's Deadfoot arms.
Deadfoot arms. That's what I was thinking. The Deadfoot arm swings over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet. That's fun, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Very cool. I'm gonna dump.
Finish it off. All right, there you go.
Tell you, man, you got a sweet pistol here.
Yeah.
brace is a winner.
Oh, for sure. That's a grand slam home run.
Oh yeah.
Game changer.
Game changer. For sure.
All right, guys, you got to see us shoot a new AR pistol with the new SB Tactical SBA3 Brace. Definitely a game changer. Big Daddy's in the house. It's really hot today, so you're probably going to see a series of videos with just Jody and myself in it. We apologize for that. But Big Daddy definitely wanted us to get a couple videos out. We got some cool stuff. So please like, favorite, and subscribe. Keep up the fight against gun control. And remember that if Big Daddy were here, he would say that he loved you. So, but yeah, hoorah. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.